Can I provide alternative forms of income verification other than paystubs or tax returns?
Hello there. Today we're going to discuss income verification. We'll dive into ways you can prove your income even if you don't have traditional paystubs or tax returns at hand. This information can be really helpful for self-employed people, freelancers, or anyone who might not have traditional forms of income documentation.
What is income verification and why is it important?
Income verification is the process that a lender, landlord, or any other interested party uses to confirm your income. Whether you're applying for a loan, renting a property, or securing a service, it's often necessary to prove that you have a steady income. However, not everyone has a regular paycheck or files traditional tax returns. So, what can you do in this situation?
Using bank statements.
One common alternative to paystubs or tax returns is bank statements. These can clearly show income deposits and expenditures, giving a comprehensive overview of your financial situation. It's important to remember that whoever requests these statements may want to see several months' worth to get a good sense of your financial stability.
Using letters from an employer.
If you have an unconventional job that doesn't provide paystubs, you can use a letter from your employer. This letter would state your annual or monthly income and must be official, on company letterhead, and signed by a company representative. This provides a direct and reliable reference for your income.
Using invoice and payment receipts.
For the self-employed or freelancers, invoices and payment receipts can be very helpful. These documents show that you have a consistent flow of income from the services or goods you provide. Collecting and organizing these documents can present a clear picture of your income over time.
Other alternative methods.
Beyond these methods, there are other options too. If you receive government benefits, you can provide benefit statements as proof of income. Other forms like a profit and loss statement if you own a business, or dividend and investment income statements if you have substantial investments, can also serve as income verification. In conclusion, it's crucial to remember that while paystubs and tax returns are common forms of income verification, they aren't the only ones. There are multiple alternatives to use like bank statements, employer letters, invoice receipts, and more depending on your unique situation. We hope this video has broadened your understanding of income verification and made the process a little less daunting. See you next time.